Hello, hello. Which item has our message today? Let's pick this little box. Attitudes are contagious. Make sure yours is worth catching. Loving yourself changes the way you love others. Stay positive. The only difference between a good day and a bad day is your attitude. Needs become thoughts, thoughts become behavior, behavior becomes habits, habits become identity. You become what you repeatedly do. You can't change how people feel about you, so don't even try. Just live your life and be happy. All right, thanks for stopping by.